Twitter chief executive Parag Agrawal sought to quell employee anger during a company-wide meeting where employees demanded answers to how managers plan to handle an anticipated mass exodus prompted by Elon Musk. The meeting comes after Musk, the Tesla chief executive who sealed a $44 billion deal to buy the social media company, repeatedly criticized Twitter's content moderation practices and a top executive responsible for setting speech and safety policies. Employees also told executives they feared Musk's erratic behavior could destabilize Twitter's business and hurt it financially as the company prepares to address the advertising world in a presentation next week in New York City.